stopped at Joe's Donuts today in Sandy. They have some of the biggest, best donuts that I've ever had, and they were open today, so we're grabbing some on our way. Look what I got! This one's caramel apple and sprinkles, custard filled maple bar, apple fritter, cherry fritter, and an old fashioned. Are you excited?
Yeah. I want the sprinkles.
You want the? I got the sprinkles one for you. You're welcome.
What?
Yours has an actual piece to that.
Oops, so it's called an apple fritter.
But I mean, you could see the big pieces on the top.
I brought sweatshirts, right?
So we're headed to Hood River, Oregon today, which Chris has informed me is known as the
Windsurfing capital of the world.
Yeah, it's on the port. It's a port on the Columbia River, and has a lot of wineries around. So we're gonna go through there, and we're actually headed to Parkdale, which is a little bit, I want to say north, but it's probably east, right?
That's north.
It is north. Woohoo! I'm a left or right
No,
kind
I'm
of
sorry,
person.
it's south.
Oh, okay. We're headed to the Fruit Loop, which is a big loop in the area with a lot of different businesses and apple blossom trees that are in bloom right now. So we're on kind of the back end of it, so we're going to miss some of those, but the weather's just been so nasty that we haven't been able to get out and do it. But it's supposed to be 70 over there today. We're headed through the rain right now, so hopefully that will pass and we will be able to enjoy the drive and hit up some bakeries and find a cool place to get lunch. Yeah? Yeah. We've already stopped for donuts, so we're starting the drive off right. Whoa. That is a big donut. Do you travel with kids? Because if you don't and you think you're missing out, let me just share a little bit of our drive so far. We're about an hour and a half from home.
Who are you talking to?
And talking to YouTube right now.
I can't hear you.
Talking to YouTube right now.
Oh.
And in this short time, Jax has spent about 20 minutes of our drive crying. And then the second we got to our first stop on the Fruit Loop, Colt dumped Chris's coffee all over my car seat. I am a bit anal retentive about my car. So yeah, there you go. Since when do you not like pickles?
I don't like those because of ice.
They're spicy. Look at all the kinds they've got, Cole.
Spicy ones.
Spicy ones. Hey, what are you doing down there? Come here, let's go this way. Follow Dad. Here's all the cookies and stuff that they used to have at the farmers markets. Do you remember them? No. The black and white cookie. We have a s'mores cookie. Jax, no thanks. Come here, buddy. Who's turn? Jax? That's a s'mores cookie. Buddy, look at all these samples. We are at the Apple Valley Country Store in Parkdale on the Fruit Loop. They've got a great little seating area to have lunch. Get around this truck and I'll show you the front. It's just a really cute little store that's got a lot of cute little like gift and novelty items. So make sure to check it out if you are in the area. third stop on the Fruit Loop is the Old Trunk. It's an antique store. This old potbelly stove over here, baby? Uh-huh.
Yes, I did.
Oh, and look, babe, did you see the drinking water? This is so neat. Could you imagine cooking on one of these?
What is it?
It's an old stove.
Old cheddar chestnut.
What's this, babe? It's an old stove too?
Yep.
Oh, it is.
See, this is an old cheddar chestnut.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it looks like an old treasure chest.
And that's a spider web.
Nope.
It is.
Just to help the grill.
I'm going inside of you.
In a minute.
Mom.
Look. Oh, this is cool, babe.
Can I sit in here?
Sure.
Is it a bench for sitting?
Yeah. Looking cute. The Hardy Boys books, babe.
I was doing all that himself.
It means we're old. We're antique. They're expensive too.
$5.
Not here, but I looked online when I was looking for the full collection for the kids, and they were expendy. Archie comics. Are those antique? Walking through an antique store is all about realizing you're a lot older than you thought you were when you recognized
That's
and
your
used all of these things as a kid.
That's your old telephone.
At least Colt recognizes that this is an old telephone. What did you get for lunch?
I don't know.
You don't know. Did you get grilled cheese?
I got grilled cheese, fries, and some Pepsi.
Yep.
And I got some pepperoni pickles.
Yep. And I got a pear and caramelized onion flatbread.
I got turkey, bacon, something or other.
Is it good?
Okay.
Chex, what do you think? Is it good? Run!
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Go get Colt. Look, go get Colt. Come on, go get him. So we are at the Western Antique Airplane and Automobile Museum in Hood River. Look at this old trunk, babe. It's a 26 Ford Model T snow conversion. That's crazy.